Do you know for a fact whether every single one of your employees is legally entitled to work in Australia? It might seem an innocent question, but migration law makes it anything but. In fact, if immigration, compliance or an inspector knocked on your office door and found you had workers who were not entitled to work in Australia, they could issue you with a $15,000 on-the-spot fine. That's before they consider imposing sanctions, penalties or press criminal charges. With fines escalating to $76,000, it's a huge risk to you and to your business, and if it goes to court, people can be sent to jail. Inspectors from the Department of Immigration and the Fair Work Ombudsman Office are visiting workplaces around Australia now. You need to work out how to address this very serious employment risk requirement, and you need to get yourself ready in advance. Ignoring this won't work, because once an inspector arrives to look at your records, it's too late. The only safe and responsible approach is to have rigorous and dependable work processes and procedures, and for you to follow these to check the legal status of all your employees. You must keep reliable records. You should train your HR staff and managers to know what to look for. And once your procedures are established, you need to check that they're working and that there aren't any gaps or mistakes. How can you be confident your system is adequate and will protect you and your business? This is where Certex Immigration Compliance steps in. Certex is a trusted name in audit and human resources quality assurance. We're accredited with JASANS, the government monitoring body, for quality, OHS and environmental management standards. Certex have engaged with key government immigration advisors, industry stakeholders and leading migration law advisors to develop two unique compliance assessment services. The first is risk assessment, which looks at personnel records to assess the status of non-citizen employees. The second is a full certification program which assesses your policies, procedures and practices against a registered standard, as well as personnel records. Certex Immigration Compliance Auditors are qualified and experienced registered migration agents who have been trained to work as lead auditors. Their responsibility is to review your records against current legislation, against employer obligations, work permissions and visa conditions of non-citizen employees. They will assess the level of compliance and identify any gaps, areas of concern or risk and any breaches. These findings are recorded in an audit report. The report highlights areas which need attention. You should take this report to your own registered migration agent or immigration advisor. They can assist you to resolve the problems. It's not wise to assume that your business is okay and that you don't need to do anything. Certex has audited a number of businesses and found gaps and problems where they were least expected. Non-compliance can be expensive for your business and penalties can be serious. You need to be on top of this now. You need the best people assessing your business risk. The best way to do this is to use Certex Immigration Compliance. Details of our services are on our website at certex.com.au. Contact us for a confidential, no obligation discussion today.